How old are you?
7.
And what is the name of your business?
The Nature Club.
Nice. And why do you have a nature club?
Because it's to help nature live and survive.
At school, what do you guys call yourselves in the nature club?
The good natures.
That's awesome. Kingston, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A scientist.
And who's your favorite scientist?
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Why do you love Bill Nye so much?
Because I'm learning stuff from him.
What does the nature club do?
It helps protect nature from harm.
So basically, the nature club.
Saves the world.
What are you going to be selling at the business fair?
I'm going to be selling some clippings and real pictures
Of what?
of plants and animals.
Yeah, because you love.
Nature.
Right.
Nature is so beautiful.
What are you going to do with the money you earn, Kingston?
I might build a farm
Why do you want to build a farm?
so I can take care of animals and plants.
Do we need farms to live?
Yeah.
That would be awesome if we had our own farm, huh? What would you grow on your farm?
All kinds of fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, what kind of car do you want to drive?
An electric car.
Why are we driving electric cars?
Because they don't have gas, or would drive a bus or a taxi. Oh wait, not drive it, ride it.